carry the load. Robin looked over, said, Batman, hey, I think I'd like to get out and stay. What could have flown through Robin's mind, getting out and staying behind? Might have been a girl standing side the road. If anything will get you this, will I know? We're doing 95 in the middle of the night. It's just too fast and it just ain't right. Running on time and it's short, I know.